Hi guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. Today I'm back with another video. So if you haven't already, please take a second to hit the subscribe button and the bell, and we'll jump straight into this video. So today's video I'm going to be doing just a simple 2 cornrows as a nice simple summer style. So if you want to see how I do that, then just keep watching. I've just washed my hair. It's detangled and moisturized already. It's still pretty wet. It's detangled. I did already part my section off, but I will straighten that out because I don't think it's showing. This is just a quick style that I like to do when I don't have much time to do my hair, or I'm having a lazy day and I just need a quick style. This is a pretty simple one. So I'll just put this section away and then I'll work on the other half. So I'll just use my brush and smooth that down. I'm just going to use a little bit of gel just on the front side. And then I'm going to begin braiding. I like to start all the way at the end. Just detangle lightly. Okay, so that's the first one done. I will do my edges afterwards, just tidy it up a little bit. And I'll just move on to the next side. So I like to just take 2 hair clips and just pin my hair on either side. I'll pin this one in here, and then I'll take this one and I'll cross it over on the other side. And pin this one in here. And then I just tuck the ends into the plait. So I'll just show you what the back looks like, and then I'm going to tie my hair down so that it can set. I'll leave this on for a bit and then I'll come back and show you what it looks like when it's dry. Okay, so it's about an hour later. I'm just going to take this off my hair now and see what we come up with. Okay, so this is what it looks like. I'll show you the back. Just a quick style that you can do when you're in a hurry, not much time, or just a nice protective style, just to keep in your hair for a few days until you're ready to wash it or style it again. So if you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to like, comment and share, and also don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell, and I'll see you in my next one, guys. Bye.